This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jonathan Snellings. As soon as you step through the front door, you'll feel at home. No room has been untouched in this immaculately renovated rancher. Restored hardwoods, new laminate and tile throughout, updated kitchen and bathrooms, interior and exterior paint, and so much more. Gather around the kitchen island for holidays, cozy up in the den with a good book, or enjoy time around the fire pit on those cool East TN nights. Convenient to Halls, Powell, and only 15 minutes to downtown Knox, this home is ready for you to make memories the same way the current owners have for the past 8 years. Don't miss out on this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Jonathan Snellings at 865-693-1111.